It's great to welcome you back to Connect. I'm your host, Conn Patrick Jackson, and you know we started this show particularly with one thing in mind, recognizing people in the know and places you want to go. And with that said, we're going to be meeting a talented young lady who graduated from Georgia State University with a metal casting degree. What is that? Well, she's putting her talents into practice, and it's always great highlighting people making a difference. So with that said, let's meet Morgan Lugo and find out what she's doing in downtown Atlanta to restore beautiful art.
So this statue is a phoenix rising, and it's supposed to symbolize like the rebirth of Atlanta from the ashes. And so it also becomes this big abstract bird, and within the beak there's also a human space in there to symbolize like the rebirth of Atlanta as culture and humanity from like the rubble. I think public art especially is extremely important to have because it brings life into public spaces. And I mean, it's been around forever. If you think about even like ancient Roman times, it's like what brings your culture and your experience and your story into the public realm. I think this project has been great because I've been able to like give my community and my city a facelift with helping restore this sculpture, which I think is beautiful, and you know, putting stock back into your city I think is important. My next big project with doing art in public places is I'm doing a few public pieces for the city of Atlanta, some civil rights leaders going down to our Mercedes-Benz Stadium. We're a big sculpture park. We're doing like a 20-foot tall Native American, a Martin Luther King, you know, and that I feel like the historical representation is really important. So it's cool to be a part of, you know, history.
Morgan, we salute you. Great job downtown. We are grateful we got a chance to talk to you and learn about your passion, and clearly you're making a difference. If you have someone in mind that you'd love us to highlight, please email me. You see it right here below, and we will definitely follow up with you. We'll be back with more Connect after this because we love getting you in the know.